click on like, share and subscribe button to support our channel.
Good morning one and all. Welcome to Abhay testing tutorial.
Let us look into the sixth phase of SDLC. That is maintenance phase. In this phase, once the customers start using the developed system, then the actual problems come up and need to be solved from time to time. This process where the care is taken for the developed product is known as maintenance. Roles involved in this phases are testers, developers, customer, business team, architects, project manager and delivery manager. Outcome of this phase is enhancements and production issues. Please click on like, share and subscribe button to support our channel. Thank you very much for watching our channel. Please visit us again.